Finally! Season's Greetings 2021 and wall calendar. We'll look at this one in a sec. Ooh, okay, so there's the record player outer box. And then the rest of them all have this BTS label on the back. I adored this photo shoot so much, like, I can't wait to visit where they took these photos. It's in Ultiro area of Seoul, which is like this older neighborhood that hasn't been, you know, redeveloped yet. So I love these. I love these close-ups. Oh my goodness. JK! And then back to the front. Love these. So there's close-ups of every member, and then 6 unit and group photos. Next, and this is cool, they've separated the calendar part from the picture so that you can choose which photo you want to go for which month. So you don't have to follow a set picture for every month. And these photos are double-sided, so you can turn the calendar over and then you can do January on either side. This is the like countryside concept photo shoot, so still kind of retro but more countryside focused. And again, also it's like they're fresh from the countryside, moved up to Seoul. Oh, look at these. I'll just show one side. And then some more of the retro photos. Yes! And now we have the beginning of Mullet Yoongi. Is there just that one photo? Okay, let me show the back too. We've got leopard print, Jimin and Jungkook. Ooh, yes. Oh my goodness, these are so good. Ooh, hope he looks good in this hat. Sugar. So good. Oh, hope he looks good in this hat too. He looks good in hats. Love this photo. It just screams like, I've just moved to Seoul from the countryside and I've got my map and I'm finding my way around the city with this says BTS in Korean, my BTS bag. I wonder if they're going to release this as merch later. I'm just going to pull out the rest of the items from the book. There is the photo book, the CD, the diary, and oh wait, okay, I already saw a little corner of the random photo. Oh look, it says BTS 21 Season's Greetings. I like that detail. Tay! Hello Tay! Okay, let's look at the planner. Let's try the Min Yoongi method of opening an album. Maybe that only works on albums. Okay, here is the planner. It's a hardback cover. It's not too thick. We've got 2021 and 2022. And then we've got a group photo. And then monthly, Sunday start. Very nice. A little space for memos. And all the monthlies in the beginning up to January 2022. And then a little break page with like goodwill messages from all of the members. Jungkook always emphasizes be healthy and happy. That's going to be my motto for the new year. And then we've got weeklies. Oh, and this is interesting. The weeklies aren't printed, so you can choose when to use it. So that's kind of cool. You've got 2 weeks to a spread. It makes the book a little slimmer than if it had been a week to a spread. And in the back, there's the group photo from the tea house and some memo pages. And then from the pool hall, hello Mullet Yoongi. Then we've got RM and Jin, Jimin이 and Jungkook. And then the photo book is done in like this old magazine style. And I will just quickly flip through this because my camera and by camera I mean my phone, is basically out of space. More goodies. Oh, I love these photos so much. I love, love, love this concept. I love the retro look. I like it as an extension of Dynamite, the retro vintage vibes. And they pull it off so well. There we go. There's a nice close-up of Yoongi with the mullet. Pizza. Why are they always eating pizza? They make me want to eat pizza. Oh, Jimmy looks so good. Then we're back to the countryside. Cute. And now we're in Seoul again. Oops. So beautiful. So good. Oh my goodness. Love this photo book. And we're not done yet. There's all these goodies left. These are the passport photos, and I know they're double-sided. We've got like very innocent country boys on one side, and then the hip and fashionable Seoul City boys on the other. Love these. I love that they've made them double-sided. Very fun. This is the making CD. They did a great job with the cover of the CD too. Oof. It looks like an LP. That's cool. Last bits are... Oh, these are the stickers for Pocos. They've got one for each member so you can decorate their Polaroids, which are in here. Every detail in the Season's Greetings is really well done. Like even the Pocos, they've even printed on the back to make it look like real Polaroids. So we've got all the members. Polaroids there. You can use the stickers to decorate the Pocos. And the Polaroid album. And I did see that these are single-sided, so you can't stick a Polaroid in the back, but after you decorate your Pocos, you can stick them in here. Cute. And there are, let's see, 1, 2, 3. There's room for 16 Polaroids. And last but not least, the washi tape. The washi tape is interesting too because it's not like a paper material, it feels like plasticky, like packing tape. And there's different retro patterns, like this says ARMY and BTS with the members' names on the bottom. 방탄소년단. You've got their handwriting. Cute. Very like retro patterns here. I like this a lot. Last but not least, the wall calendar. Okay, I'll try to fit everything in frame. So there is January, February, March, April, Sugar for May, Jin for June, Hobie for July. I don't know why, but Hobie and July really go well together. Darling Jiminy and a Babushka for August. September. Hello October. A unit for November. And another unit for December. 2022 January as well in the pool hall. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you're safe, I hope you're well, and have a good rest of 2020. And here is looking forward to 2021 with BTS. Bye! Thank you for watching.